given that x is directly proportional to y and y is equal to 4 when x is 48, find the equation relating y and x. Part A. X is directly proportional to y. Okay, since they've mentioned x is directly proportional to y, x first, got to write x first. Usually, they will put y first and then the other term later. Okay, but in this case, it's reverse. So it's okay. We'll just follow the sequence. Okay. Y is 4, x is 48. So that's the pair that we have. 48 is equals to k times 4. 48 equals to 4k. K is 48 divided by 4, which is 12. Alright. K is equals to 12. Now, so what is the equation relating x and y? X will be equals to 12y. Okay, or you can write y is equals to x over 12. Both are fine. Now for part B, find the value of x when y is 13.5. X is equals to 12y, right? So 12 times 13.5, 162. Alright, that's the answer for part B. And for part C, find the value of y when x is 216. We know that y is equals to x over 12. 216 over 12. 18. Final answer for this question.